Hi everybody, we are inside the beast, feeling the wild features of it. When I come to the starting point, this is the steering, that is the D-shaped steering. It is having the telescopic as well as tilting view, and we are also having cruise control on the right hand side. Set reset button, the power changing, the volume control mode. So coming to the left hand side, there is steering mounted volume control, auto pickup for your phone. You are also having the star. The star presents your favorite channel for the radio, as well as you have the your assist, car assist, who will help you. Like if you want to call somebody, you can just say call Abhishek, and you can have the feel of call without picking up the phone. So coming to the transmission part, this is the transmission part. We are having the parking, rear, neutral and drive mode. You can also shift on wheel is also there. Like if you want to drive a automatic car in a manual mode, you can shift the car, like you can shift the car in your left hand side or to your right hand side, and you can just press it. The gear changes will be over here. Also please look at the shiny leathery upholstery as well as the dashboard. You can also have a feel of the glossy finish for this entire TFT that you can see over here. This car comes with two USB ports, and there is also a lighter charger over there. And you can also see the specialty of this car has also come with this wireless charging. Wireless charging is there in this. They have given everything over in this car. So you can also have this driver and the co-driver seat ventilation over here. If you want to have a rear view while driving, you can just press one button over here and you can see the rear view while driving. So this car comes also with the traction controls. Like you can also have snow, mud and sand. There are 3 modes are given over here, and there is also sports mode given over here. And this is auto AC. This is cockpit oriented design in this car for this auto AC. And let me start the screen. Starting the screen. Wow, this screen is fabulous. You can just see the screen. You can have a separate media over here. So in media you can have this USB control, and the display you can see. If you want to have a display, auto illumination is over there. In the home screen you have 3 parts. One is showing the clock, another is for FM, and another is for this GPS control. This is GPS. You can, as well as you can choose your destination. Oh wow, this comes complete GPS. You can have your destination while choose your destination while driving. So this is like everything completely given. So this car comes with another feature, that is UVO. UVO is a software. Your phone will be connected, your smartwatch will be connected with UVO. In UVO you can have these features, like you can have a GPS while sitting at home. You can have a complete GPS features, GPS of the car, where the car is, in which speed it was moving. You can have geofencing, where you can have the car, if you want geofencing for 10 kilometers, if the car crosses the 10 kilometers, you will get an alert over here. If you somehow meet any accident or any mishap happens to you with your car, you can have 2 services over here. One is towing service. You can just press the towing button. That will go directly to the Kia call center, and they will assist you. They will send a towing car to take your car to the service center. As well as you can have this SOS button. If any panic happens to your car, they will get the assistance of the ambulance through the call center. Now coming to the roof part, they are having a nice electric sunroof to take the fun of the sky. If you want to have the fun of the sky while driving, so you can have it. Or so if the rain falls, you can have the feel of the rain, as well as you can drive the beast in the wild. So this is most of the part of the car. Now coming to the music system of the car, they have given Bose music system in the top variant of the car, which obviously speaks of the elegancy of the car in this category. And now you will have 4 speakers, 2 tweeters, 1 subwoofer in this car. So this is complete Bose music system. You can feel the music. You can really dance in the wild while driving. So looking at the glove box of the car to carry your important office items, it's perfect. It's enough space is there, so it's quite deep, so you will get enough space to keep your files, your laptops in this glove box. This car comes with a very special feature for in the doors. So if you just focus on the doors, there is an umbrella holder in this car, which is very special and unique, which is not available in other cars. If I see, this is bottle holder, umbrella holder, both are there in this car. So coming to the rear portion of the car, you will have this special feature, which is very important feature in this COVID condition. This car comes with virus protection ultraviolet ray, which is not available in any car. I am not talking about that this car can protect you from COVID, but this is air purifier with ultraviolet protection. And this car comes with a rear AC vent, and this car comes with a rear charger for USB port. This car also having a very special thing. While driving, your back passengers can take rest and sit comfortably in this car with the hand rest. There is 2 cup holders in this car also. This car comes also with the head, which is completely detachable, as well as it's a complete headrest for the car. Now coming to the leg space, you can, in this segment of the car, you can sit comfortably in this car, and you also have leg space over here, a bit congested, but still for a long drive you can also always have a comfort pace because my legs are completely stretched and my driver seat is completely back, but this is enough space for our family members of 3 to sit and have a comfortable journey for a long distance. Hi, myself Anirban. I hope that you like my presentation. If you like the presentation, please do subscribe to the Lifestyle and Creation channel, and you will any query just show us your interest for this car for test drive, and any other type of queries you are having, we can always give you a complete assistance for the car, and that will be very helpful, and your feedback will be very helpful for us to develop and to become a team leader in this segment. So my request to you, please do subscribe, like and share the event video. Thank you.